Hey guys, welcome back. Today we're going to be making a few different scrubs just to make this quarantine a little bit more bearable, you know what I'm trying to say here. So we're going to start off by making a coconut oil scrub. You're going to need half a cup of white sugar, 1 tablespoon of hemp seed oil, mostly for the color, that's really the only reason I chose it, 1 tablespoon of lemon juice, and a 1/4 cup of coconut oil. You're also going to need some essential oil if you want. This is totally optional. I picked peppermint, and would you look at that, my camera actually focused for the first time ever. I think that deserves a round of applause. Anyway, also you're going to need a bowl and a spatula or anything to stir it with. So go ahead and just dump your sugar into the bowl, and you're going to combine it with your liquid oil and your lemon juice. It's just going to make it a lot easier to mix with the coconut oil. And just give that a good mix until it's more like a paste and all the sugar is incorporated into the oil. And now you can mix in the coconut oil. Yes, I do realize I always struggle with scooping this out. I don't know why, but every time I'm on camera, it just is a pain to ever get it out of the jar. So just give that a good mix until it's incorporated, until it's nice and fluffy. Emulsify it a little bit, and then add your essential oil. I'm going to add about 25 drops of this peppermint. And just give that a good mix until it's nice and incorporated. This scrub is really good for anyone who wants skin brightening, if you have acne, if you have psoriasis, eczema, if you have sensitive skin. This is a lot more gentle scrub than the other ones because the sugar is not going to be very harsh. So that's what I recommend it for. And then once that's nice and fluffy and thick, there you have it. There is your first scrub. Now we're going to go ahead and move on to the next one. We're going to make a coffee scrub next. What you will need is half a cup of dry coffee grounds, 2 tablespoons of vitamin E oil, and 3 tablespoons of avocado oil. And also whatever essential oil you want to use. I picked sage and grapefruit for this one. So same thing, just dump your coffee grounds into the bowl and mix it with your oils. This one is really good for aging or mature skin. It's very moisturizing. The avocado oil is going to be great. It's going to make your skin supple and glowy, just really nice. And the coffee is also a little bit of a harsher exfoliant. So this is also really good for cellulite, especially with the caffeine. And then just add whatever essential oil. I'm going to add about 10 to 15 drops of the sage because it's pretty potent, and then about 15 to 20 drops of the grapefruit. I know it's kind of a weird smell combination, but it smells really nice, like the floral fruity notes of the grapefruit and the deep scent of the sage. It's really nice. I know you wouldn't usually combine them, but they're great. And there you have your coffee scrub. Next one up is going to be a salt scrub. So we're going to use some pink Himalayan salt, half a cup of that, 1 tablespoon of vitamin E oil, 1 tablespoon of sweet almond oil, and 2 tablespoons of avocado oil. And then for this one, I'm going to be using patchouli. But whatever essential oil you want to use, if you even want to use one. And the same process as we were just doing, just dump your salt in there, mix all your oils in, give it a good mix. This one is really good. It's antimicrobial. It's a very coarse exfoliant, so it's coarser than the coffee and it's a little harsher, so I would say this one is really good for dry skin. The only thing I would not do is use it after you shave. I'm going to use about 25 drops of patchouli. I really like the smell of patchouli, so I'm putting a lot in. But yeah, back to the shaving part. I did try to use this after I shaved and it did burn quite a bit, so I guess just don't use it on there. Or if you have eczema or psoriasis, probably not the best. But there you have it. There's your salt scrub. Thank you so much guys for watching. I hope you try these. I hope they help you feel a little bit more refreshed while you're stuck at home in these harsh times, okay? But thank you so much for watching. Make sure you like, subscribe, check out our other videos, and I will see you next time.